All right, no cheating.
No hanging up from the headers, man.
No hanging off. Feet on the floor.
Well, it's... Hey, look. What the heck? Yeah. That's hilarious. Look at it. What the heck? Look at this.
Over the top.
Over the top rematch. What the heck? Keep your leg down. Forget Richard.
Hey, Julio, if it makes you feel any better, I beat him.
Keep your leg down. Keep your leg down. Oh. You stop it right there, same spot, Julio. Julio.
Left-hander.
Hey, then he got smoked that fast too last time.
Don't worry about my shoulder.
Hey, Julio, put your elbow on the towel, Julio. What the heck?
I don't even